Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the dark mode on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. For that, you can go to your drop down menu here and then just say dark mode. Click on it and then it's turned on automatically. But we can also go to our settings and go to display and brightness and go to dark mode. So right now it's enabled all day, but we can also say to schedule it, and then we can set a start time. So let's say at 8 tonight it should start and then it should end at 6 in the morning the next day. So tonight at 8 the dark mode will turn on, stays for the night, and then it will leave again tomorrow at 6, and then the light theme or light mode will appear again. You can do that, or you can just say enable all day and then it's just enabled all day. Besides a chic appearance, it also saves you some battery and it's nice for your eyes if you like under low light conditions. So that's how you can enable and disable the dark mode on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.